Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've secured this 2021 Jeep Wrangler with an Autowatch Ghost system. So the way this works, obviously if someone hopped in, cloned this key, tried to start the vehicle up, just won't start up, it won't run. So the customer has to go through what's called authorization using PIN code on the steering wheel. We've kept it simple, so the PIN code we've set for now is 1234. We'll get a double flash from the indicators, and at this point we can start the vehicle and it will run. If the customer obviously wants to change this code, they want it to be more secure than just a simple button press like we've set, what they'll have to do is double press the ignition to turn it on without their foot on the brake, pop their disarm code in, get our double flash, and now put your foot all the way to the floor on the accelerator and repeat your code again. The indicators will start to flash, and at that point you can lift your foot off the accelerator and put your new code in. So we'll just change it to cancel, cancel, down, down. Every time you press a button you should get a flash. Once you're done you'll get 3 flashes to confirm the code, and then you've just got to repeat that again. So cancel, cancel, set minus, we'll get a double flash, and that's the code change for this vehicle. If the customer obviously wants to take this for a service and take it back to Jeep, he won't want to give them the code, he'll just want it to act and behave like a normal car. And the way you put it in service mode is double press of the ignition, disarm the system using your code, get your double flash. Oh, I think we put the wrong code in there, so we'll just start again. Cancel, cancel, minus, minus. Get our double flash to confirm it, and then we press the service button 5 times, which in this case is the cruise control here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes from the indicators. There we go. So now if we turn this vehicle off, this is now a normal vehicle. So when it goes back to Jeep, it will start up without a code. They'll be able to drive it around their workshop, and so long as they don't do 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or 1 second, it will stay in service mode. If they exceed that, it will jump out, they'll get a double flash from the indicators, and when they stop the vehicle they won't be able to start it. Obviously if that doesn't happen, you get the vehicle back and you just want it to protect it again, what you'll have to do is double press to turn the ignition on without your foot on the brake, and then just put your disarm code in and get your 2 flashes. There we go, so now this vehicle is protected again. So if you want to secure your vehicle, we're Immobiliser Fit. On this vehicle we fitted the Autowatch Ghost 2 Immobiliser, and this is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. And this is how it immobilises the vehicle if someone tried to start it. So if you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we will secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.